This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method perfectly. This powerful technique helps artists achieve accurate proportions when reproducing or enlarging images. By breaking down complex subjects into smaller, manageable squares, you can focus on individual sections, making the drawing process less daunting. It's a fantastic way to build confidence and improve your observational skills, ensuring your artwork maintains correct scale and perspective from start to finish. Proper setup is crucial for success. First, measure your reference image to decide on a suitable grid square size, perhaps 1 inch by 1 inch for a standard photo. Then, lightly draw corresponding grids on both your reference and your drawing surface using a ruler and a light pencil, like a 5H. Ensure the grids have an equal ratio. For example, if your reference has 8 by 10 squares, your drawing surface should have the same number of squares, scaled appropriately. Now, let's begin drawing. Number or letter your grid squares on both your reference and drawing surface to easily track your progress. Start in any square, carefully observing the lines and shapes within it. Transfer only what you see in that single square to its corresponding square on your drawing paper. Focus on where lines enter and exit each square, ensuring precise placement. Work systematically, square by square, until the entire image is transferred. Once your initial drawing is complete, carefully and gently erase all grid lines. Use a soft eraser to avoid damaging your artwork. Now, you can focus on refining the details, adding depth with shading, and bringing your piece to life. Remember, the grid method is a powerful training tool that significantly improves your eye for proportion and observation. Consistent practice will make you a more confident and skilled artist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.